Hello students, how are you? I am back here with your next lecture. So today we will do revision of number names. Okay. So in my last lecture we had done the revision of number names from 1 to 20. So I am back here with revision. So you have to write CW, proper date and heading revision. Okay. Right here revision. REVISION revision. Okay. Now after that you have to write the heading number names. Okay. You have square notebook with you. In that notebook only you have to do write properly CW, date, write revision, and then after writing revision write heading number 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 names NAMES number names. Okay. So now we will start number names, revision of number names from 1 to 20 we had completed in our last lecture. So now we will do from 21 to 30. So right here 2 1 21. I told you when you will start after 20 for 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. For all these number names at the end what we will join TY. Okay, we will join TY, and with teen like 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. At last what we will join TEEN teen. Okay, so here what we are saying 21, that means 20 plus 1 21. So that's why we will write here for spelling of 20, then we will write spelling of 1. Okay, so let's start writing. You have to write with me. Okay, now write here T W E N T Y. This is the spelling of 20. T W E N T Y 20. Now spelling of 1. In your last lecture I explained you that don't use capital letters in between. When I had seen your notebooks or whenever you are sending the photographs of your notebook, I had noticed one thing, that most of the students you had used capital letters in between also. So don't use capital letters in between. You have to write capital letter only at the starting of the sentence or at the starting of the spelling. So here I had used capital T, after that I had used small letters, and don't mix cursive letters, small letters and capital letters. Okay. Now I am going to write the spelling of 1. That also I will write in small letters. I will not write in capital letters. Okay. So here small O, small n and small e. So this is the spelling of 21. Now repeat after me. TWENTY. This is the spelling of 20. And what is written here? 1. So spelling of 1 is ONE 1. So 21. Okay. After that give one column gap here. Now write here spelling of 22. 22 and write proper manner. You have to write in proper manner 2. Don't write like this. This is the proper manner of writing 2. Okay. Now write spelling of 20 once again, because what we are saying here 22. That means 20 plus 2 22. So TWENTY 20. Now spelling of 2 is TWO. Spelling of 2 is TWO. Okay. Now TWENTY 20, TWO 2 22. Okay. If you have space in your notebook, you can write one letter in one block. Okay. You can write like like that also. Okay, now after this, again one column gap I am going to give here, and I am going to write the number 23. 2, 3, 23. Now once again 23. That means 20 plus 3. 23. So once again we will write the spelling of 20. Okay, TWENTY. Now spelling of 3, because 3 is written here, so we will write the spelling of 3. The spelling of 3 is THREE 23. This is the spelling of 23. Okay, TWENTY 20. THREE 23. After that, once again give one column gap. Okay, now write spelling of 24. 2, 4, 24. So here I am going to write TWENTY 20. Okay, and what is written here after 24? So what we will write there? Spelling of 4. Okay, FOUR 24. Okay, now once again give one column gap here. Now I am going to write the spelling of 25. 2, 5, 25. TWENTY. Okay, and spelling of 5, because 5 is written here after 20. 25. So here I am going to write the spelling of 5. FIVE 5. Now complete this. After that I will write the spelling of 26 to 30, 30. Now you complete this first. Repeat the spellings whenever you are writing in your notebook. You have to repeat again and again so that you are able to by heart the spellings. Okay, you had completed till 25. So I have no space on my board, so I am going to rub the spellings. But if you have space in your notebook after 25, give one column gap and then write the spelling of 26. I have no space, so I am going to rub the board. Okay. Okay, so you had completed till 25, so I am going to write here spelling of 26. That means 20 plus 6. So what I have to do here, first I will write the spelling of 20. The spelling of 20 is TWENTY. This is the spelling of 20. Okay, again and again we are repeating the same spelling. So what is written here after 26? So what I have to write there after 20? Spelling of 6. Okay. SIX 6. Okay. SIX 6. So this is the spelling of 26. After one column gap. Now write here 2, 7, 27. So T W E N T Y 20. Now spelling of 7. S E V E N 7. If you have space in your notebook, you can write one letter in one column also. It's not necessary that you write 2 to 3 letters in one column. If you have proper space in your notebook, you can write one letter in one column. Okay. Now here after one gap, 2, 8, 28. Once again we will write the spelling of 20. So what is the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y 20. Now what I have to do? Which spelling I will write after 20? What is written here? 8. So I am going to write the spelling of 8. Okay. E I G H T 8. Okay. Spelling of 8. Use proper column to write proper method of writing spellings. Okay. See, T will come in full column. H will also come in full column. Okay. आप लोग कई बार क्या करते हैं, जैसे H लिखना है या T लिखना है, आप लोग बहुत छोटा सा बस ऐसे H लिख देते हैं, ऐसा T लिख देते हैं. This is the wrong way of writing letters. Whenever you are writing in columns, use proper column and use proper method of writing letters in the column. Always whenever you write H, you use full column. Whenever you are writing T, you have to use full column. Okay. Now after that, give again one column gap here. Now I am going to write the spelling of 29. 2, 9, 29. T W E N T Y 20 and spelling of 9. N I N E 9. Okay, spelling of 29. Now again give one column gap here. Now I am going to write the spelling of 30. 30. 30. You have to make 0 in which shape? Oval shape. Don't make 0 in circle shape. Always make 0 in oval shape. Okay, and use full column for that. Okay, now spelling of 30. Say with me once again, 30. Okay, we are not writing 3T. Most of the time the students are writing spelling of 3 and TY, but it is wrong. It is not 3T. It is 30. So for third, what we will write? TH IR. This is third. This is third. Because we are saying 30. We are not saying 3T. So don't write the spelling of 3. You have to write the spelling of third. THIR, third. And then T. TY, T. This is the spelling of 30. Now write the spelling in your notebook. Okay, completed. So this revision you have to do in your notebook. Spellings from 21 to 30. 30. So now on next page again write revision. Now we will write the spellings from 31 to 40 for T. Okay, once again listen, 40 for T. We will not say 40. It is not 40. It is 40. Okay. So I am going to erase this. Okay, now I am going to write the spellings 1 to 40, 40. Again on new page, you have to write revision, proper date and heading, number, names. Okay. After that, give one column gap here. Now start writing spellings from 31. 3, 1, 31. Now see here, 31. 31. So what we have to do? We have to write the spelling of 30. Now we will not write the spelling of 3T. We will write the spelling of 30. So TH. Okay. THIRTY 30. And then spelling of ONE 1. 31. THIRTY 30 ONE 1. After that, give one column gap here. Now once again write the spelling of 32. That means 30 plus 2. So once again, here we will repeat the spelling of 30. THIRTY 30. Okay. And what is written here after 32? So which spelling we have to write here? Spelling of 2. So use full column for TWO 2. So spelling of 32. Spelling of 32. Now once again, give one column gap here. Okay. Now we will write the spelling of 33. So 30 plus 3 is 33. Okay. Now I am going to write here the spelling of 33. So THIRTY 30. And I have to write the spelling of 3 because 3 is written here. So after that I have to write here spelling of 3. THREE 3. Okay. THREE 3. 33. Okay. After that, give once again one column gap here. Now I am going to write the spelling of 34. 3, 4, 34. Once again the spelling of 30. THIRTY 30. And spelling of 4. FOUR 4. 34. Once again, one column gap. And here I am going to write the spelling of 35. Okay. 3, 5, 35. THIRTY 30. And spelling of 5. FIVE 5. First to complete this, you have to say spelling again and again and then start writing in your notebook. Okay, completed. I have no space on my board, so I am going to rub this and then I will write the spelling from 36 to 40, 40. But if you have space in your notebook after 35, give one column gap and then write spellings. Okay. So I am going to rub this. Okay, so till 35 we had completed. Now I am going to write the spelling of 3, 6, 36. So what is the spelling of 30? Now repeat after me. THIRTY 30. And what is written here? 6. So spelling of 6 is SIX 6. SIX 6. Okay, spelling of 36. After that, give once again one column gap and then write the spelling of 37. Okay. So what is the spelling of 30? Once again repeat after me. THIRTY 30. This is the spelling of 30. Why we are writing again and again the spelling of 30? Because this is 30 plus 7, 37. So that's why for each and every spelling, first 3 is coming, that means 30 is coming. So first we have to write the spelling of 30. Afterwards, which number is there? For that we have to write that particular spelling. So it is written here 37. That means first we have to write the spelling of 30. Then what is written here? 7. So after 30, which spelling we have to write here? Spelling of 7. Okay. So I am going to write the spelling of 7 here. SEVEN 7. Okay. 37. Now spelling of 38. Okay. THIRTY 30. Now which spelling I have to write here? I am going to write the spelling of 8 because 8 is written here. So I am going to write the spelling of 8. Okay. So you have to write here spelling of 8. EIGHT 8. Okay. So this is spelling of 38. Now once again give one column gap. Okay. So here you have to write spelling of 39. Okay. Spelling of 39. So THIRTY 30. And spelling of 9 is NINE 9. NINE 9. Okay, 39. Now after that spelling of 40. See, listen the pronunciation. I am not saying 4040. I am not saying 4040. I am saying 4040. That means we have to listen the pronunciation and according to that we have to write the spelling. So I am going to write here 40. And 0 should be in oval shape. Nobody will make 0 in circle shape. Okay? 0 always we have to make 0 in oval shape. So here 40. I am not saying 40. It is 40. If I will say 40, then the spelling of 40 is FOURTY. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay? So we have to say 40. We will not say 40. Okay? So here the spelling of 40 is FORTY. Forty. See here, I am not using here U. I have not written here U because if you will write U, then it is 40. But 40 we will not pronounce 40. We pronounce it 40. So spelling of 40 is FORTY. 40. Now write the spellings. what we had completed? We had completed the revision portion of number names. Yesterday in our last lecture we had completed the revision of number names from 1 to 20. In this lecture we had completed the revision of number names 21 to 40, 40. Okay. So today I am going to give you one task that you have to by heart the spellings and you have to send me a video without seeing the number names, spelling of the number names. You have to make a video and you can send me your video by saying the spellings. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day and keep safe yourself. Thank you.